Nikon's latest offerings, the ZF and Z8, have already diversified the camera industry in the flagship and premium segments. But what about the beginner users who need a more affordable camera to get things started? Well, we've got good news for you. There is a strong possibility that Nikon may release full-frame cameras that are even more affordable than the Nikon Z5, potentially named the Nikon Z4. So what will it offer, and how budget-oriented it will be? Let's find out. The speculation comes from an older Nikon patent that showcases the camera design without an electronic viewfinder and a minimal physical interface. Nikon will emit the EVF in this compact full-frame mirrorless camera to minimize production costs. Judging by the design and patent applications, we think it'll be in competition with the original Sony A7C, and the price range also suggests that it's a replacement for the Nikon Z5. Nikon introduced it as an entry-level, full-frame mirrorless camera around 3 years ago, in 2020. This camera utilized a 24.32 megapixel CMOS sensor in the FX format, along with an XSpeed 6 image processor. It had a maximum ISO sensitivity of 51,200, which allowed for clear and sharp images with minimal noise. Additionally, Nikon ensured reduced noise in captured photos, and the Z5 camera offered several noteworthy features. These features included in-camera vibration reduction that stabilized the shutter speed, providing an equivalent of approximately 5 stops of stabilization. The camera also features an extensive 273-point composite autofocus system covering a wide frame range. This autofocus system included eye detection AF for both humans and animals, specially designed for dogs and cats. As per these specs, there was no other camera that could the Z5, so it's obvious why they want to recreate the success in the budget segment. In other news, Nikon is also venturing into new possibilities in the world of frame rates with the introduction of an impressive 4K camera capable of capturing up to 1,000 frames per second. Historically, Nikon hasn't focused on high frame rates, but that's about to change. This groundbreaking camera will feature an advanced stacked CMOS image sensor, proudly labeled by Nikon as having the world's highest levels of sensor performance. The sensor incorporates cutting-edge wafer-level wire connection technology and boasts a pixel size of 2.7 micrometer, which is quite impressive. With a pixel count of around 17.8 megapixels, this sensor enables high-resolution 4K to 4K imaging at a remarkable 1,000 frames per second, along with an exceptional dynamic range of 110 dB. It's worth noting that this camera is primarily intended for industrial applications rather than consumer use at this point. There is hope that similar technology may eventually find its way into consumer-grade models following the path laid out by Panasonic and Sony. While some individuals eagerly await another Z product, others argue that the existing Z5 sufficiently caters to the market segment below the Z6 or Z7. Now, all the indications suggest that this new camera will likely occupy a lower position in Nikon's lineup compared to the Z5 model. Typically, it takes about 2 to 3 years for a patent to materialize into an actual product. A patent related to the Nikon Z4 was applied in 2021, so hopefully we'll get to see the Nikon Z4 by next year. The Nikon Z5 was initially priced at $1,399. As per the rumors, Z5 will also be in this ballpark. There are very few reliable cameras below the $1,500 tag. Canon EOS R8, Fujifilm XS20, and Sony A6600 are a few of them. If you immediately need a camera in the budget segment, you should surely get one of these. Otherwise, we'll suggest you wait a few more months and you won't be disappointed.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.